Namaste. One of the initiatives of this academic year is to have Saturday expert workshops, where we call experts from outside who would conduct a workshop and interact with our students about essential topics which may not be covered in the syllabus. So, with this initiative, this very Saturday, we are having a very interesting workshop from a very capable person on a topic called money. Many of us work very hard for money, but the topic money is not even covered in the syllabus. So, here we call Mr. Girish to conduct a workshop on the topic money.
Hello, parents. Your beloved school has arranged a session, financial literacy session for your kids. And Girish Kodashettar, is going to take this session. I am a certified financial planner and CEO of a financial services firm called Horn Merchant LLP. So, in this session, we are going to cover the value of money. How many times you have really, maybe used your, told this to your kids that, hey kid, ನಿಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಆ ಈ ಹೇಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮನಿ, ಯು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್? ಸೊ yes, I guess you have many times. Now, this is what we are going to cover. The title of the session is the value of money. So in this, we are going to tell what's the value of money, both in generic terms and what you want to know in practical way, and also a theoretic and with economic background. And then we are going to tell and explain how the money evolved over centuries from one form to other form, and what are the best ways to manage money to create wealth, and what are the traps and the mistakes they should not do, which may cost them very dearly in their financial lives. So thank you. Expecting your kids to be there. Let's see there. Thank you.